Few days ago I made a video for this light, and while you see that I repair it, I change its battery, make some repair. But yesterday I was in my village and I realized that its battery backup is not sufficient. Today I am back in my home and I decided to replace its battery again, because last time when I replaced the battery, that battery was not also very good. You see, this battery is only 17 milliamp hour, so it cannot provide long time backup. Now I have another battery. It's an old mobile battery, but few minutes ago I tested its capacity and I found 693 milliamp hour in this battery, so it is more powerful than previous one. So I cannot put full battery in here because of small compartment, so I remove this body part and use only this battery. But for safety purpose I will put a heat shrink tube on it. At first I will solder a cable with this battery, then I will put the heat shrink tube. I think it's more than enough. Okay, side. What happened? I think my flux is not good because it's too old. I can't exactly remember how old it is. Maybe 15 or 20 years old, and I think I have to buy a new flux. Okay, I can try this thing. I think it will work better than my old flux. This is positive side, this battery, and this is the negative side. Okay, positive side done, and then negative side it's done too. Now I put a heat shrink tube in this wire, then shrink it with my soldering iron. After that I'll put this heat shrink tube battery. Okay. Now it's perfect, and shrink this. Oh my god. No, cover is okay. Now I check this voltage, see anything wrong happened with this battery. No, 4.16. Can put a heat shrink tube in this part because burn it. Okay, done. Battery is ready. Now I have to open this light. Screwdriver. There is one screw, little screw. Screw it fast. Remove the PVC. I think I have to put some glue in here so this light can stay where it should. I put super glue in one pin. I think it's okay. I don't know more because it could be a real disaster. But now my main job is to replace this battery with battery. Positive side, negative side, and new battery, negative. And the problem of this type of resin is it looks ugly, so I have trying to clean it with cotton bud and thinner, give it a good clean. You can think what is the problem if it's dirty inside the light, but it doesn't feel good if your work is so dirty. Now it's good. Now it's fine. Then 3, 4, nice. Okay, now it's time to assemble it again. Let's move, put everything back together. Glue, nice. Cover, battery, go inside. Oops, this way. Go. Battery go in your place. Oh my god, it's big. What I can do now? Oops. What I can do now? I don't know what can I. Okay, see. I will bring back in place, and then the main challenge, because you see the battery is big. Okay, finally, now it's done. We are done. I think now it will give us a good amount of backup. Nice. Thank you for your time.